Hello amigos, it's Ceci Micha from Anytime Travel Solutions. I want to do a very quick video about my luggage. This is video number 5. And this is my luggage when I come to Europe. It is winter time, so I have a lot of stuff to show you. So stay tuned. Big luggage. And again, this is the continuation of the videos that I show you, everything that I packed when I do small trips in my carry-on. And now that I did a very long trip, this is a trip, I'm away for 20 days and it's been a back-to-back with activities. First part of the trip was in Italy, Malta, and now I'm in Poland attending a conference. So the first thing I want to show you, this is what I buy in Amazon, and this is slip, a cover for your luggage. It has many uses, but if you can see, it helps me protect my luggage. So you just cover, it has zippers, and it's very easy to use and super easy to identify when you're in the airport and trying to collect your luggage. There's many options of choices. I can put a link of the Amazon company that I buy from. So this is just a regular Samsonite. I'm not a fan of the hard luggages. This is my perfect for me, so I don't need more space to open. Sometimes in hotels they only give you this little stand for your luggage, so I utilize this one. I don't need to have more space for it. So here's what I packed for this Italian, Malta, and Poland trip, and it was 20 days. I needed to carry a lot of stuff, so I'm struggling keeping the luggage in the weight that is required, but here it is. Everything I need is here. So here I always travel with this wine sleeves, because you never know what you find in these trips that is unique, that you cannot find at home. So I always have that. In this case, I already stopped in Malta, and I'll show you the olive oil that I got. So here are the little packs. Some people use it already, some people don't, but this is the way I pack. I have a lot of stuff. It is winter time here, and I'm in Italy, and I am from Florida, so you bet I'm going to carry ponchos, scarves, coats, you name it. Everything to keep me warm is in this big bag. The other ones that I have, you can put it in whatever order you want, but I like to put pants and skirts and everything that is for waist down is right there. And then I have another pouch where I have everything that is shirts, sweaters, and everything that I will combine. Usually I do plan ahead that all things combine, so I can have everything I need, and I change anytime I want to. Little one here has mostly sports stuff. I have shorts, I have t-shirts, and this is mostly, also I carry a bathing suit. Just, you never know when you'll find a cool spa with or hot springs or anything, so I always carry in the small one. Those are sports shirts and bathing suit and cover. Over here I have scarves. Everything is about scarves, black, tan, anything that I need. It is in this little pouches, so you can really press a lot. I have silk ones, or I have yarn. Okay, so those are my scarves going on. Here are 2 pair of shoes. Look how tiny they look, but they're actually my big heels. Here I have 2 pairs of heels, and I usually travel with the 2 colors that combine with everything, which are gonna be the tan and black. So in this trip, and I know everything says laundry, but who cares, right? So here you see, I have a tan and a black pair of heels. As usual, I already showed you in my previous videos, this is where I put my underwear. Everything fits there. And this is the pouch that I told you that I bought. I bought an amazing olive oils in Gozo, and I'm bringing this to enjoy with the family. And this is my comfort food. Whenever I come back from work, I can have a nice and delicious olive with bread or anything I want to have. Because this trip again was in the winter time, I have lots of stockings, underpants, because I'm always freezing, so pants are not enough for me. I have to have all sort of nylons and cotton and very, very thick clothing. My purses, typical. This is my travel with Ceci pouches. I had it black, I have it in tan. I combine with my boots. That, by the way, I have 2 pair of boots in the carry-on, so that's what I travel with. And this video is coming up very long, but I have extra pairs of boots, and I always keep in this carry-on a extra change of clothes, so I don't have to open the whole suitcase if I don't want to, at least for a day. We usually work very hard, and I'm too tired, so I don't open the bag. So this is my little fancy little purse whenever I have to go at night for dinner or so. So we have the practical one that is everything's gonna fit. Everybody enjoy in my group utilizing these bags. This I bought it here in Europe, and it's the only curlier that I use because it's from here. It will not burn. And you can check video number 3. I believe you can see everything I carry in my bathroom supplies that you already know. So this is it. That's the luggage. That's for Europe. Ah, my handy dandy. This is a backpack that I use for daily stuff. Some coffee that you never fail. And this I carry this trip, but I actually never used it. But some hotels, like my clients can tell you, do not have washcloths. So if you want to use one, better bring your own. Some hotels, it depends on the stars and everything. So here it is, my luggage disclosed. I hope you enjoy it, and if it serves any purpose, please let me know, give me likes, subscribe to the channel, and you will always find hundreds of travel videos about hotels, places I visit, people I meet, and stuff I do when I travel. All right? Well, thank you, and goodbye from the Holiday Inn in Krakow in Poland. And this is my welcome letter in the hotel, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye, amigos.